Hey everyone. So, one of the most valuable resources that you have as part of your membership is access to exclusive member tutorials where I share my most valuable tips, tricks, and a lot of different techniques that I've perfected over the years through a lot of trial and error. So, this is something that's going to really help you improve in your designs and give you a lot of value. Not just to have the tools, but to have the tips and tricks that I use to create really cool things with them. So, for example, you can access the tutorials might be available as a product or they might be available just through the blog. So, for example, here is an example of an exclusive member tutorial where I show you how I create this printable artwork using only two Photoshop brushes. And you'll have a link normally where you can click and if you're not logged in, it will prompt you to log in. And so if I click on this, it's going to take you to the page where you have all of your exclusive member tutorials, and you've got the date and a description of the tutorial, and then you click on it and it'll take you directly to the tutorial. And if for some reason you want to access this anytime without the link, you just go to dailydesignables.com. You go up here to the login navigation and click member dashboard, and then this will take you to your dashboard, and your member tutorials are always available right here in your dashboard. And you click on this link, and then this will take you to the page where you have the links to all your different tutorials. So I hope you enjoy your tutorials, and this is something that I'm going to be creating. I'm going to be creating a lot of tutorials for 2019.